Understanding chicken stock, an essential in cooking. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in cooking, chicken stock. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English culinary terms, this video will give you a clear understanding of what chicken stock is and how it's used. Let's dive in. Chicken stock is a flavorful liquid used as a base in many dishes. It's made by simmering chicken bones, vegetables, and herbs in water for several hours. This process extracts flavors from the ingredients, resulting in a rich, savory liquid. Stock is different from broth, which is typically made with meat rather than bones and is less concentrated in flavor. Chicken stock is incredibly versatile. It's commonly used as a foundation for soups and stews, adding depth and richness to the flavors. It's also used in sauces and gravies to enhance their taste and texture. Additionally, cooking rice or pasta in chicken stock instead of water can significantly elevate the flavor of these staples. Making chicken stock at home is simple and rewarding. You'll need chicken bones, often left over from a roasted chicken, vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion, and some basic herbs. Simmer these ingredients in water for 3 to 4 hours, strain, and you have homemade stock. It's healthier and more flavorful than store-bought versions. While homemade stock is often preferred for its freshness and lack of preservatives, store-bought stock is a convenient alternative. When buying stock, look for low-sodium options to control the salt content in your cooking. Also, check for any artificial additives or flavors. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what chicken stock is and how it can be used to enhance your cooking. Whether you choose to make it at home or buy it from the store, chicken stock is a great ingredient to have in your kitchen arsenal. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.